currently at 93 cents. CHS is also trying to turn up. BXC is very, very flat now. CHS, Charlie Hotel, Sierra bounced from 417 to 460 right now. 417 to 460. They are number one on our action is heating up list as we speak. I am watching CCXI. I want to see if that thing bounces here and starts turning up, or is it going to be all risk off? Pullback entry in CHS considering that 444 price. Stop at 424. CCCL just popped here, guys. 105 entry if you're looking. And pop. Man, that thing just jumped. Oh, God. Well, it was right there at 107s, and then it decided to hit 123. It is now halted right now. It is now halted. So the halt bar entry, this is 31 cents wide. So you're looking to buy in at 128 or lower with the stop at 90 cents. That's going to be a little heavy. So just be aware of that if you decide to take that halt entry.